recipe. It's like a chickpea stew, but my way. I have my pan here already heating up. I have yellow onion, a small yellow onion. I have red pepper. That's half a red pepper, and 2 chilies. These ones, these spicy chilies. In it goes the chilies. I will put at the end. I'm gonna put a pinch of cumin. I'm gonna add some pepper, a pinch of turmeric, and I'm going to add some garlic. I have 3 cloves here. This is smelling good already. So I'm going to caramelize this and I'll be back. I'm gonna let it fry up for maybe 3 minutes. Okay, so this is nicely caramelized. Now what I'm going to add is my chickpeas. I'm just going to add a generously full half a cup. I'm only making for my mother-in-law because I cannot eat this. You're probably asking why am I cooking for her, or well, she's disabled. She can't see. She's completely blind. So I'm just making something a little spicy for her because she loves spicy food. Of course, not tremendously spicy, but she does love spicy food. Alright, so now I'm going to add just a half a teaspoon of curry powder. Just half a teaspoon. Okay, and now I'm going to add coconut cream. This is coconut cream. This is my favorite. I don't know about you guys, but every time I use it, it's my favorite. I don't know. I love it. I can eat it just like that. Coconut has been around my family for like so many years. My ancestors. There is a book out there on the miracle of coconut. I think I forgot the title. I do have that book. I'll go look at it, and if I did say it wrong, then I'll just write it down on the bottom. So this, I'm going to put the heat a little high so it boils. Now we're going to add salt to taste. And we're going to add chilies that I didn't put yet, so in it goes. I'm sure she's gonna love this. I hope she will. Although everything I cook, she says, is delicious, so I'm happy for that part. She doesn't know I'm making it for her though. I'm gonna surprise her. I'm gonna let this boil for like 5 to 7 minutes. I will be back. Okay, before I forget, I'm adding cilantro in there. I almost forgot the last ingredient. And I'm gonna leave some fresh cilantro so we can garnish it. Okay, so this is ready. Now I'm gonna turn this off and serve. How delicious is that? Well, my friends, that is all. A simple, quick, easy recipe. This will not take you long. These were cooked chickpeas, canned obviously. I barely buy cans, but that's what I had for now. And it tastes awesome. I mean, I hope she loves it, and I will let you know. I will write it down for you, let you know if she likes it or not. Okay, so that's it. I hope you try it out. Comment below. Let me know how you did it different, because everybody in their kitchen have their ways, and in seasonings or way of cooking is totally different. Comment below, thumbs up, share the video, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Happy cooking. Bye.